Hi, my name's Lee Cunningham. Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, Walton-on-Thames in Surrey. I've got the privilege of presenting this really lovely DB11 Coupe. This is a 2019 model year car, and I'm just going to run you through some of the key features, specification, and give you a sense of what the car's like in the metal. We've only just got it into stock. All we've done is wash the car really. We haven't really prepared it in any way, but it's a really good, strong, standout example. Obviously magnetic seal, which is a lovely colour for the DB11 Coupe. Couple of the key features, we've got the gloss layer package, so that's around the front splitter, down the side sills. The upper package is gloss black as well, with the black side strikes. What's unique with this particular car is we've got the black upper package with the gloss black roof. That's complemented with the black mirrors, and I think it really gives the car a really strong silhouette, particularly from the side view. A couple of other key features on the rear of the car, we've got smoked rear lenses, so it's got that kind of really nice dark theme to it. This is complemented with a 10-spoke directional diamond turned alloy wheels, which is a really lovely factory option. We've got grey Aston Martin brake calipers with white script. So the whole external theme of the car I think works very well. It's a very understated specification car. It's covered just over 18,000 miles from new. Comes with full Aston Martin service history. There are a few small stone chips on the front, but nothing of any significant damage in any shape or form. And obviously we would attend to those as part of the pre-sales preparation once the car is sold. But overall, it's a really good, strong car in exceptional condition, and we priced it very competitively on our website. What we're going to do now is show you the inside of the car, just to give you an understanding of the key personalisation and specification features on this model. So now we've moved into the interior of the DB11 V8 Coupe. Really nice features in the car. I think it really complements the external kind of package. We've got full black obsidian leather throughout, and this is including the black, which normally sits in this area here. A lot of cars are spec'd with piano black, but I think the leather in this area works very well. It doesn't have a touch pad, but you've got a nice kind of leather covered pad there. You've got leather steering wheel throughout. It's complemented by the silver trim inlay, which is your paddles, your door handles, speakers, and around the vents. This really makes the interior pop, I would say, and really kind of gives shape and contours to everything. Also, it's complemented with a very light silver contrasting stitch. So this is through the centre console area. Also, it's the Aston Martin wings embossed on the seats and around the kind of bolsters of the seats as well. So it really enhances the shape of everything and just really gives it a good quality theme. The condition of the interior is very, very strong. It's been cherished from day one. Another key element of the specification is it's got vented seats as well as heated seats, which I think is a really nice touch, particularly with the UK winters we have. As I say, it's advertised on our website now. It's available for viewings and test drives. You can reserve it online for £99. That holds the car for 2 to 3 days, gives you the opportunity and first refusal on it. We've priced it competitively. I think it's a fantastic opportunity to move into the brand in what is a really, really strong, quite unique and quintessential Aston Martin.